Oh, sorry. Would you like some Pringles?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Well, I have some for you guys too. That's a good study snack.
It's kind of a noisy study, isn't it?
You okay?
Yes, okay.
All right. Do you have a textbook that I can borrow just for a second? There you go. Do you guys want any of these nuts? Okay.
What's this?
Ah!
How often do you travel around with your girl?
It fits in the backpack pretty easily, so all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ham on the go.
That's right. Yeah. Should I cook some for you too?
No, I'm okay, man.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
vegetarian.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't.
Well,
Cool.
all right.
You guys want to say anything else? Or?
No.
No? Okay, well, that's the end. We'll see you next time.